GATE 2019 EC question 23. Radiation resistance of a small dipole current element of length L at a frequency of 3 GHz is 3 ohms. If the length is changed by 1%, then the percentage change in radiation resistance rounded off to 2 decimal places is dash. So this is a small dipole current element of length L. This is Hertz dipole. And for this dipole we are being asked to find the radiation resistance percentage change if the given length is changed by a percentage of 1%. So radiation resistance percentage change is being asked. So we know that for a Hertz dipole, power radiated is equal to 40 pi square I naught square dl by lambda whole square. Now this is W. Now also W is I naught by root 2 IRMS square into RE, which is RE is the radiation resistance. Therefore I naught square by root 2 square, that is I naught by root 2 square RE equal to 40 pi square I naught square dl by lambda square, implies RE equal to 80 pi square dl by lambda whole square. So this is the radiation resistance formula for Hertz dipole. So this is the data we will need in order to solve this question. Now coming to the solution, radiation resistance RE equal to 80 pi square dl by lambda whole square. Now wavelength lambda equal to c by f. C is the velocity of light, f is the frequency. Now RE becomes equal to 80 pi square into dl, plugging in lambda equal to c by f, so it is f by c whole square. Therefore given frequency is constant at 3 gigahertz, therefore RE is proportional to L square, because velocity of light is constant, frequency is constant, so RE will vary as length varies with square. So radiation resistance is proportional to length square for this given situation. Therefore RE equal to KL square. Now RE, radiation resistance, equal to KL square, implies ln of RE equal to ln K plus 2 ln L, where L is the length of that current element. Now taking the derivative, partial derivative on both sides, we get dRe by RE equal to 0, because K is a constant and derivative is 0, plus 2 dL by L, implies change in radiation resistance with respect to radiation resistance is equal to 2 times the change in length, differential length with respect to length, implies that percentage change, we multiply 100% in both sides. This is percentage change in radiation resistance is twice the percentage change of length. So now in the problem it is given that the percentage change in length is 1%, implies that the percentage change in radiation resistance will be 2 times 1%, that is 2%. So percentage change in radiation resistance equal to 2 times 1%, that is the percentage change in length. 2 times 1% equal to 2%. So the answer will be 2%. Thank you.